Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Day 2023. Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Day are observed on May 1st every year as the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat were formed on May 1st. Maharashtra Day or Maharashtra Divas is celebrated on May 1 every year to commemorate the creation of the predominantly Marathi-speaking state of Maharashtra with the enactment of the Bombay Reorganization Act in 1960. The Bombay Reorganization Act in 1960 bifurcated the Bombay state into two separate states, namely Gujarat and Maharashtra. The state of Bombay had mainly four major languages, that is Marathi, Kuchi, Gujarati and Konkani. While the Marathi and Konkani speaking population became a part of the state of Maharashtra, and the Kuchi and Gujarati speaking population became a part of the state of Gujarat. Maharashtra is bounded by the Indian states of Gujarat to the northwest, Madhya Pradesh to the north, Chhattisgarh to the east, Telangana to the southeast, Karnataka to the south and Goa to the southwest, and by the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and the Arabian Sea to the west. Maharashtra's capital Mumbai, formerly Bombay, is an island city on the western coast connected to the mainland by roads and railways. Aptly called the Gateway of India, Maharashtra is one of India's biggest commercial and industrial centers. Gujarat is bounded primarily by Pakistan to the northwest and by the Indian states of Rajasthan to the north, Madhya Pradesh to the east and Maharashtra to the southeast. Gujarat also shares a small segment of its southeastern border with the Indian Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and together with the Arabian Sea, it surrounds the territory of Daman and Diu. The capital Gandhinagar is the largest city in the state and one of the most important textile centers in India. Gujarat draws its name from Gurjara, supposedly a sub-tribe of the Huns, who ruled the area during the 8th and 9th centuries CE.